All right, welcome back. This is part two for the piano tutorial. So I'm not gonna go too in depth. I'm just gonna I'm gonna pick up where we left off last time. I'm gonna try not to make this video too long. I just want to finish up this song for you guys so we can move on to the next tutorials, the next videos. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. It helps the channel grow. I'm new to this, so help me out as much as you can. And if you would like more videos on things like this, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to try to get back with you guys. All right, so right now I just want to do I believe I just want to have a bass line added and maybe add some percussions. All right, and that's it. Nothing more. We're gonna keep it real simple. All right, so let's pick up where we left off. All right. Again, we're using peculiar sounds, and I'll show y'all the bass that I'm using within peculiar sounds. But give me a second. So the percussion that you hear back there is something. It was like a percussion loop that I'm using to throw in there just to fill it out a little bit to help it out. Let me move this out of the way so you guys can see. So now it's just all about arrangement at this point. And if you guys want me to make a video about arranging your songs to put them in song format, where an artist can sing over it, like where you want to have an intro, hooks, chorus, and outros and things like that, let me know, and I'll do a video on it. But let's see what we got. So this can be like an intro. Yeah, this can be a smooth intro. All right, that can be the intro to the song with no drums, no nothing, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these, right? I'm gonna just move these down. That way we have our intro. All right, so I'm gonna be quiet for now, and I'm gonna just arrange it to the best of my abilities for the sake of time in the video. So I'll be right back.
I believe in broken hearts as much as I believe in. I believe in broken hearts as much as I believe in love. We go once upon a time. You always made me feel like you could really be the one. Put those fairy tales aside again. Don't know why you went and broke my heart, and I ignored all the signs, and now I'm doing time in this prison. I can swear wide. Right.
And just like that, I mean, the song is pretty much done. Added the bass line to it, and we can hear what it sounds like with vocals. I'm gonna save this song, and I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna take those vocals off and possibly send that to someone. Probably make a video if y'all like to see me do that. Send it to someone, let them write to it, and see what they could come up with. Let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna just play it all the way through one last time, and then I'll see y'all later. Peace.
I believe in broken hearts as much as I believe in love. We go once upon a time. You always made me feel like you could really be the one. Put those fairy tales aside again. Don't know why you went and broke my heart, and I ignored all the signs, and now I'm doing time in this prison. I can swear wide. Right.
One last thing, if y'all would like to see my mixing process on this beat, this is not mixed at all. It's just a raw beat. Let me know if you want me to show you guys. If you guys want to see me mix this, I'll do that for you. All right, so I appreciate y'all tuning in. Peace.